Champion the most valuable resource your organization has, and you will reach your goals to prosperity. So what is your most valuable resource? Almost anyone in the cleaning industry will say without hesitation, people. I respectfully disagree. If you look at the list of attributes that a company lists as their qualifications, training is the last thing on the list, gets the least amount of attention, and yet is said to be the most important issue. If that were true, then you would make sure that it's the first thing on your list, the first thing you document, and the most consuming issue for your organization. If that were true, then you would know the difference between education and training. A wise person impressed upon me early in my 50-year career in this industry, I am not an animal. I do not have 4 legs. I do have 2 legs and a brain. Treat me as such. Thank you very much. He further explained to me the difference between the two, education and training. You see, an animal and you do not really communicate the why, only the reward. And he likened that to the training we traditionally provide our staff. However, if you would educate the people as to the why of what they're doing, the skills required could then be trained. So, this is why here at the Academy of Cleaning Excellence, we educate the mind before training the skill. We champion professional development education and contend that it is the most important and profitable attribute an operation has. Education is not a one-time accomplishment. Much like what we consider the consumables in the cleaning industry, education is a consumable too, always needed and ever-changing. Professional development education is for everyone, and this builds your most valuable resource. So what is that most valuable resource an operation has? It is an engaged employee. Let that please be you. Thank you for your engagement in this short message today. Engage the Academy of Cleaning Excellence at academyofcleaning.com. Come experience healthy, positive, and proactive knowledge for all levels of your organization, no matter whether they are new to this wonderful industry of cleaning or a seasoned individual. I'm sure that you have standout people in your organization today. Champion them. Please be sure to check out rockstarcustodian.com. Nominate your Rockstar Custodians for 2022 now. I'm Dave Thompson, Director of the Academy of Cleaning Excellence. I am a janitor, and I save lives.